Lunchly! New MrBeast barbecue chicken dippers. Grilled chicken, barbecue sauce, and Colby cheese cubes. With prime hydration, berry freeze flavored. MrBeast Lunchly. It's all MrBeast. I don't think Prime is Prime, but it's MrBeast Prime. Let's try this. Let's open it. Oh, here we go. The plastic can go over there. We got the Lunchly itself. Here's the MrBeast Prime. It says MrBeast, and it's berry freeze flavored. We're gonna try that in a minute. Get the barbecue chicken dippers. I'm excited. Who else is excited? With the barbecue sauce, the grilled chicken and barbecue sauce chicken dipper. See, let's try it. So 10 out of 10. So good. Now let's try the cube in the barbecue sauce. Another 10 out of 10 with the cheese. And the Feastables is tiny. Tinier than it used to be, but it's cookies and cream. Tiny little Feastables. Cookies and cream. I gave some of the Feastables to the camera woman. This is so good. I'm keeping this bottle. It's MrBeast Prime exclusive. It looks like his MrBeast logo. Let's do it. OMG, that's a 10 out of 10. They spilled some Prime on me though. A little liquid. This whole thing is a 12 out of 10. This whole meal. This whole meal is a 12 out of 10. Peace, y'all. Go get Logan Paul, KSI, and MrBeast barbecue chicken dippers. Bye, y'all. Peace.